Welcome to Newbery Recycling Ltd. Based in Barnstaple and covering North Devon, we specialise in recycling of all types of domestic and commercial waste, including plasterboard, wood, rubble, plastics, construction waste and commercial waste. Our seasoned director, Darren, has 30 years' experience in the recycling industry, and we are passionate about embracing new technologies. At our transfer station, we operate an Excel 2R10 TWIN RAM baler with an in-floor conveyor, which was professionally installed for us by Middleton Engineering. This facility allows us to process mixed DMR and cardboard and produce a quality product for recycling and shipping to processing plants worldwide. We adhere to all legal responsibilities to treat and dispose of both hazardous and non-hazardous waste, and we provide all the necessary documentation that states that your business is compliant with the guidelines governing hazardous waste disposal. For more information, please visit our website or call us on 0330 024 4643.